Hi, this is Suzanne from Kinderland Dolls, and I wanted to introduce you to a new baby that was born today in the Kinderland nursery, and his name is Leilani, and he is a Realborn, which means that his kit was actually made from a 3D scan of a real baby. So he is extremely lifelike, as you can see. Now, a little secret here. I think he's sleeping. Well, he is, but he's yawning. This is Leilani yawning. All right, he's got precious little hands and feet that are so detailed and wrinkly. He's been reborn with non-toxic Reborn paints that have been applied in many thin layers to produce a realistic, almost translucent look. Now, a little surprise here when I take off his little head. You see he's actually rooted very sparsely with very soft Delta Dawn mohair. Oops, sorry about that. Let me see if I can lift him up a little so you can see the back too. Yeah. And he's so cuddly. He weighs between 5 and 6 pounds, the weight of a real baby. And he smells good because he has a baby powder scented wafer inside of his body. And he's weighted with crushed glass beads and then stuffed with soft polyfill. His limbs are full, and he has a nice, soft, cuddly cloth body. Be sure to like and comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel.